let's define some of the terms we use in Cardsmith. The first one is the card face. This is the virtual front of your card, so to speak. What you see on the face depends on what view you choose for your board, and you can change it right here from this menu. It just depends on what you'd like to see to start with. To get to an open card view, we just click anywhere on the card face, and now we're working with just this card. Now every card has a card menu. When it's open, you can find that on the lower right. In fact, you can also find it on the lower right when the card is closed. It's the exact same menu. Each card has potentially many fields, and we define a field as a label and a value together. So for text fields, the value is just some string of text. For checklists, the values are the items in our checklist. And for images, the value is the image itself.